Everyone, I'm Richie Khandelwal, co-founder of PriceLabs. I'm down here in the bottom left corner. I'm sorry that I couldn't be there in person today. Now, this might work out to your advantage though, because I am restricted to 5 tight minutes and you don't have to hear me go on for a really long time. At PriceLabs, we are a revenue management and dynamic pricing solution for the short-term rental industry. Every day, we price more than 250,000 listings around the world. In order to price these listings, we compile comprehensive booking data from platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, Stays Verbo, and we price properties around the world, of course, Australia included. As we collect this data, we, of course, capture a lot of insights, and I wanted to share some of those with you for STR industry in Australia in particular. To start off with, in the past 18 months, we have seen pretty strong growth in supply across most major markets in Airbnb. Particularly for Australia, we see 166,000 listings as of June 2023, which is a 25% increase compared to same time last year. What that also puts Australia at is 10th in terms of number of listings by country count. Diving a little bit deeper on this, what we see is New South Wales takes the lead with 56,000 listings, thanks to, of course, Sydney's inner city and beachside suburbs. Victoria comes in second with 45,000 listings, with Melbourne playing a significant role in this performance. And then Queensland secures the third spot with 34,000 listings, of course, thanks to Brisbane and Gold Coast. What I also have here is a comparison of individual owners and property managers. We see about 35% of properties in Australia are single owner owned, owner managed. Then we see about another 34% which have, which we call as small PMs or more pro owner hosts, which have 2 to 10 properties. What that means is there is enough diversity in Australia market, but also enough opportunity in order, if you are looking to grow your business as a property manager, there are a lot of those small PMs or individuals that you can go after to grow your business. Now, as a result, we think both for a property manager and in general, Australia is a fantastic market. Australia, of course, is a very thriving market due to broad range of geographic attractions, your year-round opportunities for travel, strong cultural events, sports events, and fantastic infrastructure. And all of this coupled with an event like 2032 Olympics, which means that you'd have an extremely bright future when it comes to vacation rentals and short-term rentals. In addition, Australia offers varied tastes and budgets, right from city apartments to beach homes to rural cottages to luxury villas, making it a fantastic destination for the travelers. However, this year has not been extremely kind. If we turn our attention to 2023, first half of the year, what we saw was that 2023 was behind 2022 in terms of occupancy. In the first quarter, you see roughly 5% behind 2022 numbers. And in the second quarter, you see about 10% behind 2022 numbers. While the occupancy is 10% behind 2022 numbers, you have to consider that there was a 25% increase in supply. So really, if you look at number of nights booked, they're ahead of 2023 numbers. If we look at the next 3 months here, we see that July stands behind where it was same time last year. You're looking at 3 curves here. Red color is the, as of July 1, what the July occupancy was. Then the light gray color, which is same time last year, what the occupancy was. So July 1, 2022 for the July month, what the occupancy was. And then you're looking at the black curve, which is the final achieved occupancy at the end of the month. For that month, what was the occupancy, right? So July 1, we saw 34% occupancy in the market compared to same time last year, July 1, 2022. It was 40.75 versus July 31, 2022, we saw 54.64, right? So, of course, this points to that we are pacing a little bit behind compared to last year. But when I look at August or September, there's not as big a gap. We've also examined this city by city, and what we have seen is that while Melbourne was behind April through June, it started to show better occupancy trends compared to 2022. However, Sydney, Brisbane, Canberra are still behind 2022 occupancy levels. Now, do note that winter is still out there, but then we should look forward to the summer months once towards the end of this year, and we expect that to be a better, if not similar, compared to 2022. So while 2023, from an occupancy perspective, right now looks a little bit challenging, the supply growth in the last couple of months has been amazing for Australian market. And we're very, very confident about the long-term prospects of Australian market. It has so much to offer, from cities to serene beachfronts to all the cultural events, sporting events. It has so many options for a traveler. And so this diversity combined with upcoming events like the Brisbane Olympics, we think there is an immense potential. And at PriceLabs, we are dedicated to providing precise and data-driven insights to help you make better decisions as various things evolve in your market. Thank you so much.